Okay, it came. The SD40-2, I got the operator, so this is the unboxing. Stickers. Now a pen. Looks like the upgrade kit for the parts. Looking here. No instructions, so hopefully there's something online that explains where all these little parts go, because I have no idea. And the locomotive. Alright, so here we are. I got the CSX one, because it's just what I like. Back of the box. Alright, let's open it up. I really like the packaging that they use. I feel like everything's very secure. Alright, so in the box is this out here. Back of it, just saying what the part list is. And not sure if any of the detail parts are listed here. Not jumping out at me. Maybe the rivet counter manual online will have all those detail parts. Okay, and now again, pretty well secure. So just like the rivet counter one, it's enclosed in a sleeve, and then there's this little hinge. And comes out. Goes on top. And here we are. Let's just take off this. Take out these little pieces of foam for protection and set it down. Just put this out of the way for the second. Alright. Trying not to bend a handrail or anything here. And they come with these little plastic clips on the bottom here. Helps keep it secure in the packaging. I'm not going to take it off right this second, but kind of hard to see in this light. Looks like it's a little less detailed than the rivet counter, but still pretty good. There's spots for the MU hoses and brake hoses and things. I know that this one doesn't come with the ditch lights, but for the most part, it's got the same. It says it's got the same drivetrain, I believe, as the rivet counter. And this one does have the DCC chip and sound already in it, so I will do a video of it. And but I really just wanted to show the unboxing of this. It's I'm excited to try it out. Just show the top of it. The detail on the fans is pretty good. Underside, pretty basic. And just looking inside to see if there's any detail. Kind of looks like there's a little cab detail on the inside. I do know that part of the detail kit is the windshield wipers and few of the other things. So, all right, thanks for watching.